go check out Jessie's Critter Carousel.
Critter Carousel.
They're gonna have critters there.
Critters.
What kind of critters?
I like
Beavers, cats, dogs, critters.
Maybe a squirrel.
Maybe. Squirrel? How do they do it?
Squirrel.
Yeah, he's got a Mickey Mouse head. He's a Mouseketeer.
Yeah, he is.
The Groot is a Mouseketeer. He's a Grootsketeer. Every day, moment. That much better. You want to get coffee now or get coffee later?
After, because they'll make us finish it before we go on the ride.
Okay, we'll get it as we walk over to GTC.
Yeah.
Hey, treat. Disneyland Day. Carousel. We're gonna ride your carousel, Jessie. So what's he gonna do? Which critter do you want? Brand new, dude. It opened yesterday, so yesterday was probably the soft open. Look at all those critters.
I like the wall for shade. They thought of it.
Good
It's
idea,
all
right?
open out here.
It's way too hot to be out there.
Yeah.
These are all the critters, and look, there's Jessie right there. He's here. And then look, the sheriff. There's the sheriff officer there. Hey, Tony! He's right there, like I didn't see him. What's up, man? I didn't see you there. How long are you guys standing there for? No, look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at him.
We've just been like
Look at
waiting for like 5 minutes.
Maybe we should put it in their face.
Are you guys here for the new ride?
Yes, we are.
Hey, we're gonna get to ride first.
Which critter would you guys want to ride?
We're looking for a thunder chicken. If they have.
Oh, they must have some thunder chicken.
This is Fern-E and D from KIDULT TV. Yeah, they're all saying it right there.
Oh, he's saying it. Yay! Hi, guys. Oh, yeah, he got Mouseketeer.
Today.
Alright, guys, enjoy the ride.
Hey, we're sure, guys. We'll see you. We'll get you as you go by. Look, I found Rocket. As he goes by, go. Hi, Tony. Bye, Tony. The skunk's backwards. You have to ride it backwards. The cuteness factor alone is 100. Hi, Tony. Bye, Tony.
Oh no! What is that? A kangaroo?
Oh, only leaving a chair. A log. What critter is he riding?
I don't know. I kind of want a turtle.
Oh, look at the vulture. I want the log chair. Hey, guys! Hey, I know him. I know him. Cute. Hey, guys! So much fun! Hey, guys! So cool! We're gonna go pick our critters, D. Come on, pick a critter.
These two are called vulture.
Oh, no, this is good right here. We'll get these two. You gonna be the snake, D?
Can we get up there?
If not, I'll be the snake. It's pretty high up.
I know, it's high up.
Maybe I should let you be the turtle.
Let me get on the turtle.
Yeah, you get on the turtle. I'll be the snake. I'm a snake. Hey, D, I'm a snake. A slippery slime snake. Don't trust me. I'm so sinister. Because I'm a snake. I think his name's Fraser. Stinky Pete. Hey, it's not moving yet. Yay! You go up, I go down. I go up, you go down. What's that noise? It needs some more lubrication, D. It's hurting my ear. Ow! Ow! Oh no, we're beyond the weight limit.
What's up with the squeaky?
Look at that loud noise.
Snake.
He's like, I'm a snake. Oh, now you're gonna get stuck up top. Okay, okay.
Keep going, keep going.
Okay.